Here we go. The M44, 1943. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So much variety will make your damn head spin.
First guy. Second guy. Good old shoulder meat hit. Got us a twitcher. Dead as a doe now. Yeah. Fucking beast. Let's fly over here. First target. Done, son. Second target. Done, son. Especially with 45 ACP. Let's whip around. Then that back engage. Done, son. Center mass. Look at that. And done, son. Lightning fast speeds. Let's see you beat that. Alright, let's take a look at that, homie. Alright. First guy got in the edge of his chest, blew out his ribs now. This guy got it in the gallbladder. Can't you see me now? And this guy right here, center of freaking mass stomach shot. And not the same for that homie. And if I would have seen twitching out of the dentist is calming you down.